Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix screen rotation not working on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. After click on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and click on reset option. Click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.